Fam, what is good? Welcome back to the channel. Before I even start today's video, let me introduce you to a secret that I must confess. Now, I haven't told anyone this, but I'm here to tell you. That Hybrid Racing is the best place to get K-Swap performance Honda parts that you need for your car today, fam. It's no surprise that the best cars come equipped with Hybrid Racing products. I mean, come on, man. Super facts. You have the shifter cables, the shifter bushings, the detent springs, shift knobs, fuel rails, fuel pressure regulators. And you have me giving you the chance to take home discounted Hybrid Racing parts. If you use discount code Zosh, you get to save 5% off on your order. You know how much 5% is? Take $1,000 and put 5% on that and do the mathematics and equations, and that's a lot of bread you saving, playboy. Go ahead and break me off like 5 bones. You know what I mean? Help me help you. Every car I get will always get that Hybrid Racing treatment, and I think you should treat your car to something nice. If you're looking to upgrade your car with some serious swagga-dagga-dagga, be sure to click the link down in the description box below to hybridracing.com. Go check them out. Use discount code Zosh to save 5% off on your order. And now you know my secret. So I guess I can just get on with the rest of this video, right? Okay. Today is actually presented by Hybrid Racing because we're going to be slapping on some new HR parts on the Civic. So recently, Hybrid Racing came out with a product on the market that gets rid of all the other bunk ones, but it is the EP3 idler pulley bracket setup for the K20Z3 engines, your K24A2, K24As. They just making waves out here, baby. Did y'all see that Art & Senna inspired shift knob that they created? That's like, it's a rod like that's molded with a shift knob. Did you guys see that? Oh, it's on the screen, so you see it right now. It's crazy, right? That, bro, they're my homies, man. What's in the box? What's in the box, SpongeBob? Most of the parts we're going to be installing today will be on the Civic. So let's go ahead and unbox and install. Yeah, that's how that works, right? Okay, so here we have my brand new idler bracket and pulley kit. Hybrid's so cool that they include a belt for you, so you don't have to use your OEM belt. And it's 7 rib, baby. Lava. So if you have a K-Swap, you know how, well, it's not important, but it's best to run a 7 rib instead of like a 5 rib or a 6 rib. You want to maximize the full bracket. And last but not least, we have the swivel neck thermostat in that dust black. I can't wait to have a thermostat back on the car. Right now I'm running no thermostat. I'm just basically free balling, and we can't have that. I mean, technically in the state of Florida, you really don't need a thermostat, but don't take advice from me. I'm just a YouTuber dude. But it's so hot in Florida anyway. Not having a thermostat isn't really gonna cause any issues. Our winters are like 70 degrees here, and our summers are like damn near 100. So not running a thermostat isn't the end of the world, but if you live in colder climates, then not running a thermostat is pretty bad. And in this box, we have a new Velocity air filter kit because mine decided to go bye-bye. And like I stated, if you guys ever need anything, holla at your boy. Discount code Zosh, save 5% off at hybridracing.com. I like hybrid so much, I decided to wrap my car. Woo, I haven't seen this engine bay in a minute, but it still cleans up nice. For a stock engine bay, this cleans up pretty nice. It's not that bad. If you're new here, this is my FD2 converted wannabe time attack. That's the goal. I want to enter Club TR series of grid life with this car and, you know, just have fun, track days with the homies. So this is what this car is purposely built for. I did not remove, if you have an 8th gen, you're like, damn, Zosh, you removed your ABS? Why would you do that? I didn't, it's just tucked away. I want to clean up my car as best as possible and also be functional. So instead of removing the ABS, I just relocated it. So this side's pretty much tucked over here. I just got to tuck this one wire because it's too short. But that's for my EC. So yeah, this is the car. I'll give you guys some exterior shots when I'm done installing what I'm about to install. But what we're going to install right now is the new idler bracket pulley setup. So we're going to go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt that is clamped down to the idler bracket on the OEM unit. This is my belt. It's not bad. think it's been replaced not too long ago. I replaced that pulley too not too long ago as well. We're gonna go ahead and replace this whole setup right here with the hybrid racing one. Should be a fairly simple process. Get a 14mm or 12mm, I think it's, yeah, 14mm bolt right there to loosen out the tensioner right here. Take the belt off and then remove the stuff. So, and if you guys would like a point-by-play install guide, I will leave a link down in the description box below to hybrid racing, then watch the install guide. And they have a YouTube video as well that's more detailed than probably what I always ever do. So if you guys get lost in my install process, then I'll be sure to link those down below.
Back in my bag and I ain't gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that
bum 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 bum. Look at that. Ooh. Look how cool that looks. So fire. HR everything, baby. HR everything. And no, not hiring resources everything. Hybrid racing everything, fam.
We the top 10, UGK the major way, not play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit. Hands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear.
So this is what we're gonna be removing and installing today. We're gonna remove this bolt, and this bolt. This whole bracket right here comes off. Now, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do about my AC unit, but I mean, not my AC unit, my AC bracket, my line bracket, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and remove all this
Then let's know on a radar per release, per request, yo. Life is like a dice game, that's a bet though. Is you bugging, that's a dub. Shoulder shrug to the stub. Tell them hit the squatty up.
Now that we have the old stuff off, look at that. I wish I could paint this right now. Maybe I can clean it up a little bit. But yeah, man, look at that though. Actually, I am gonna clean that up a little bit. Put some. Let's go ahead and clean that up with some of this right here. This Formula 88 is the best cleaning stuff you can buy, bro. Now we're gonna go from, look, this is a nice before. Unfortunately, since I don't have my pressure washer hooked up, it ain't gonna do much, but not that bad. It looked like I didn't even do anything. Let's go ahead and get the hybrid stuff put on.
But I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy. You see, I'm in the top 10. Yeah, it's top 10. Hey. Yeah, I heard you knocking, but I am not here. Watch out for the company you keep, cause people mad with. I will pull up on you and address it. I am not scared. We just looking down on these for the top stairs. We've been dropping back to back to back, but it don't stop here. People love to tell me their opinion. I do not care. Way that we keep bodying these tracks, man, it is not fair. Way that God keep blessing me, protected by my mom's prayers. In my own bubble like a Montclair. Count the money, make it.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's raining. And it looks cool outside. That looks so cool. This doesn't. Still raining. But unfortunately for me, the belt that I got sent out, I believe it's for a K-swap with no AC. Cause there ain't no way this Johnny gonna fit. So I have a K-swap AC belt. I'm gonna have to reuse my old belt over there. But since it's raining, ugh. And just like that, we have our brand new idler pulley bracket set up on HR. You got the logo on the side, the logo right there. Every 8th gen Honda Civic part or K-swap related part that fits 8th gen Civic Si, I got that. I got the big, beefy, best intake on the market. Bam, got that. Shift cables, got that. Don't mind the ashiness, but I got the dipstick and I got the oil cap, baby. Fuel rail, gauge. Now I got that idler bracket pulley set up. We're doing big things over here, man. Oh, and here's the side profile of the car in case you want to see what your boy's working with. This is it. This is the La Baby right here. It's the interior. Blacked out, everything black in this John. RIP to the Black Panther, baby. That's what we do it for. And this is why you don't buy aftermarket bumpers. Well, aftermarket replica FD2 bumpers, because that happens. It never stays in place. But other than that, we're money. We're golden. We're golden. It looks so good. I love this car. I will give somebody $2,000 if they can guess what time it is, right? 2,000 in Gran Turismo money, of course. But daylight savings sucks, son. It's like 4:30 right now. And the damn sky's gone. I might not be able to get to doing the thermostat today, but we do got the idler bracket pulley set up, and I think that is money. We actually have to go on the road. I might do like a POV drive with the Civic to close out today's video, because it's been a minute since I did like a POV. I think a POV would be pretty cool, like a night drive POV type beat. That'd be cool. You guys interested in that? Should we do that? Run it.
The fresh pound, leather on the steering wheel, it got my palm chilly. Short necklace with the long willy, calm really. And it ain't even about the fame, it's about the bread. Lost the end.
Been a minute since we did some POV, baby. And it's been a minute since I got some gas. Let's go get some gas. Yeah, that means it's gonna be high. I just need to put like a gallon of gas in and not fill up gas at Sam's Club. $3.78, not too bad. That's cool, not too bad. What's the 93 gas price where you live? Usually I fill gas at like Sam's Club, but Cumberland Farms not too bad. Having AC in your fun car is probably a 10 out of 10 feeling. I would never own a K-swapped car that does not have AC other than my Integra. If I buy a K-swap car, I'm putting AC in it, or it already came with AC, so I paid a premium. There's no way I could ever enjoy a car again without having AC. I'm spoiled by the Civic. I love this car. It's just too good, man. But that that TLX though is just gorgeous. What was that? It's a beautiful night in the city. I love when it looks like this. Rainy out, all you see is red lights glistening off the ground. Gives me Need for Speed vibes. It just reminds me of Need for Speed. It reminds you of Need for Speed? So you finna buy me some stuff, right?
No.
You're not gonna buy me anything?
Babe, I already spent $513, $518.
What that mean?
That is a lot.
I need more than that. I need to get two.
Okay, give me a ring.
What?
Yeah.
A ring? A ring? Like the doorbell?
No. You're not funny.
Uh-oh. Can I not go to Aldi now? Nope. Holy shit.
Bad?
Yeah. Take the race car to grocery shop day.